guys, how it's going? It's Huda here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can install JDK 14 on Windows 10. So let's start it. First open CMD, write CMD into a search bar and here type a statement to find whether any version of JDK installed before it or not. So guys, here before installation Eclipse, you must have JDK 14 or 13 in your PC. So guys, here type java -version and then enter this. To check, you can see that java -version is not recognized as an internal or external command. So guys, here you can also write java c and here -version and then enter this. You can see that again java c -version is not recognized as an internal or external command. So guys, here let's start it. To first open your favorite browser and then type java jdk 14 jdk download, simple, and then enter this. So guys, here first I will gonna zoom it so it become clear. Now it's perfect. So guys, here first click on the first website. So guys, here click on this and I wanna click. So guys, here website is near to open. So you can see that we have JDK SE14 here and also have old version Java SE14. It's a new version. Java SE13, it's an old version, and then also have Java SE11, Java SE8U241 and other JDK version. So guys, here we will install JDK 14 today. So just click on this one, JDK download. So guys, here click on this JDK download. I'm gonna click this. It's really so simple. Now scroll down and here you can see that Java SE development kit is available for Linux and other Mac operating system, and here we will install Windows x64 installer. So click on this one, actually not a zip file, click on exe file, not this one. So guys, here I'm gonna click on this and then I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network license agreement. Just check this and now click this one. So guys, here if you are using EagleCat, then this will pop up on your screen, and if you're using any other browser, so it will be show at the left side on your desktop or PC. So guys, here just click on OK and then downloading starts here. So guys, here you can see that it started now and it takes some time for downloading it. So guys, here wait just a moment so that it will complete download. Now here guys, click on this one and click on yes. So guys, here it will be installed, take some time, so preparing to install, and then click on next. Just it's a path where it store program file Java JDK 14, so set as default. Next, and then here it will take some time. And now so guys, you see that it's complete. Simple click on close and then close this one. So guys, here now click on PC and then here in C drive, so the path have program file and then search Java. Now click on this. You can see that it successfully installed JDK 14. Here JDK 14, click on this. So simply save this path, copy this but first in bin folder, now save this, and here guys complete copy this, and now it's time to set environmental variable. So guys, here so in search bar we type control panel and open this. So guys, here click on system and security. So guys, now click on system. Here you can see that this one option, advanced system setting. So click on this. So guys, here we're gonna click on this. So now just click on environmental variable. So guys, here click on environmental variable. So come here and scroll down. You can see that a path variable. So click on path variable and then click on edit. So guys, here just left click on this and then paste your path that we copy. So guys, here you can see that program file Java JDK 14 and bin. So now save this, enter this and then save this. Okay, so guys, here now it's time to edit variable name. So guys, here click on new button. So guys, click on new button. Here you can find new button and now I'm gonna click on this, and now here we write in uppercase Java and then home. So guys, here we just paste path again, but here we write just JDK 14. So bin will be delete because it's Java home. So click on OK and then again OK. I'm gonna click on OK. So guys, it's successfully installed on your PC on Windows 10. So guys, in the next tutorial we will gonna discuss how we can install Eclipse on your Windows 10. So I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.